We're joined this morning by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission and her granddaughter, Isabel. Welcome, Isabel. Hey, how old are you, girl? 3. Oh my goodness, we're so excited to have you. And today we're making festive deviled eggs, or as I like to call them, Raina deviled eggs. How do we get started, Miss Charlene?
All right, well, we made the eggs ahead of time, and Mom and Dad might want to help with hard cooking the eggs. But Isabel loved to crack them, and she helped me peel the eggs too, didn't you? Yeah,
you're such
there
a
they
good
are.
helper.
Very good. And then we'll put the yolks in the bowl. And Isabel, you want to show them how that you smash those with your fork? This was a great activity for her at 3. And I might mention that we have a sheet that we're going to send out this month with the recipes.
Okay.
It's called the Thrill of Skill, and it starts out at age 2 and tells all the things that kids can do in the kitchen and gives suggestions to you with your girls of ideas. And it's provided to us by the Home Baking Association.
That is perfect.
All right. So now, Isabel, Jared is going to add our next ingredients. We have the soy sour cream that we're going to add in there. Great. And some mayonnaise. And Jared, the first ingredient in mayonnaise, when you look at the jar, is soybeans.
Oh.
How about that?
You know I'm terrible about looking at what's in, so it's always good to know what soy's in.
And I'll get this here. We'll get a little bit of mustard. And then, Isabel, do you want to help stir that a little bit? Okay, you stir it, and then Grandma will help you finish because we want to fill this.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, you did good.
Nicely done.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Good job.
That's coming together nicely.
All right, now, Isabel, Grandma's going to fill these. Yeah, you can just leave that right there. Because the fun part of this recipe, do your girls like deviled eggs?
They do. Yeah, deviled eggs are very big. They're at every family function that we have. I love them. You got to have that and baked beans, right?
That's right. And when we were coming up with recipes for kids, our grandchildren all love deviled eggs. And I thought, okay, this would be a great idea to show because Isabel's going to show how to make them festive.
Oh, let's see.
She's going to decorate these eggs. Okay, you can go ahead and pick out whatever you want and put on these other eggs.
A little bit of cheese.
That.
That's the first thing I go for too, Isabel. What else do you have in there? Do you know? What are you going for next? Some edamame?
Soybeans.
Soybeans,
And Isabel's grandfather and her dad both raised soybeans. How about a tomato on one to give it some pretty color? Would you like that?
A little pop of red. There we go.
And then how about some carrots?
Yeah.
You put that on there. When we were doing this last night, practicing.
Okay, I love this. She put one little carrot in. Can you tell what's her favorite and not?
You made a bunny for us, didn't you, with the carrots? Okay, you can go ahead while we finish the recipes. Wanted to say that as we want them to write in and call because they're going to get a box of crayons.
Oh, yeah, right here. What kind of crayons?
These are soy crayons.
I know. How cool is that?
And with those, they're also going to get an activity book. And the activity book is full.
This rolled over.
Oh, it rolled over? Okay, it's all right. We'll just stick it right back on there.
That's
good
perfect.
Job. You did great. Isn't that pretty? And you can add that if you want to, or you can save it. Yes.
So we have the activity book and the crayons. How do we get them?
They can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, or they can go to kansassoybeans.org. And when they do that, they're going to get a whole packet to keep the kids busy this summer.
I love it. Thank you, Charlene. And thank you, Isabel. Stay with us because we're back right after this.